The following is a presentation of the NFL Greatest Team Solitaire League. The NFLGTSL is a miniature football league based in Arlington, Texas. We are dedicated towards making the game simulate reality through the use of realistic stadiums, incredible 308 game boards, and outstanding athletes. The NFL Greatest Team Solitaire League quality of play for the solitaire player makes for a dynamic brand of football that will keep the solitaire player entertained for the entire season. With game footage, press conferences, and pre-game shows, this league is a trailblazer in taking the game into the 21st century. So sit back and watch as some of the greatest teams in football history compete for the Lombardi Trophy.
Is they serious?
They can put me at wide out with these hands.
Look for some fireworks early.
We control our own destiny. Let's go, man. It's all us, the playmakers, man. Yes, sir.
Why you keep the pressure on them? That's all you got to do. Have fun. Don't watch the scoreboard. Play and have fun. I go hard. I go home. Yeah. I go hard. Yeah. I go home. Yeah. I go hard. Yeah. I go home. Yeah. Let's go from the rooter to the poodle. Take this thing, baby. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to hit him with a whale point hamburger blitz train on the first call out the game. #1 pass game, tell them to box it up and take it home. Next week, I'm in my ass whooping mode right now. I'm gonna get another. I'm not done whooping ass yet. Come on, baby. We just gotta keep knuckling up. Keep knuckling up. Let's not have me cover Braylon Edwards in the flat anymore. That was a great job. It doesn't work out well for me. That was a great job. I made it happen. That was me. I made the damn tackle. No, you did. I was on that. I looked at that right when you hit. That was me you hit. As I'm trying to tell you. You made that one, bro. You was on the bottom pad.
Right now, we're our #1 enemy. Okay? Minnesota Vikings got to overcome the Minnesota Vikings.
Can't let things snowball. Let it go and let's go punch this. All right, let's go. Let's play our ass off in the second half because listen to me. We've got a chance on this team. They can pitch the drop on defense now on 3 straight 3-and-outs. But we've got to go after this thing in a passing game, and you got to keep giving me everything you got, all right?
Fellas, you hear me? Every snap, rock to the whistle. Wearing their ass out.
I am not getting tired. I'm tired. I get tired during the week, though. Let's go, D1 time, baby!
Thunder one. Give Johnson looking for room, bounces to the outside, cuts back to the middle, back to the 40, to the 35, puts a move on.
That was Madden-esque right there.
Got it out. 25. One man to beat 10. Back in the 5. I know, boys. Yes, he did. Mike Hart, touchdown.
That's a great job, O-line. That's a great job, O-line. You gotta be kidding me. That was bad.
Let's go, Ted. Let's go. It's easy when we do our job, right?
So we keep it close on purpose. For Monday Night Football. All right. I can go with that.
We knew we were going to win. We never knew how we were going to win. And it took everybody.
We worked well together, played well together, played for each other.
That was a good football team out there that we beat, and nobody in this room but us thought we were going to do it.
I'm talking about a killer instinct to learn how to put people away. One play after the next from the beginning to the end, all right? That's where we're going with this thing. I can't wait to see what it looks like, all right?